So this is a chart browser software, which is a chart handling tool for Chartworld like this. So basically all ships which have Chartworld like this will generally have this chart browser software as the chart handling tool. They might have other softwares like eNavigator or Chartco, other things, but generally those ships will have chart browser. So for example, now if I want to make a route in this, this is very easy. For example, we go from Lisbon to Cadiz. So I type Lisbon, autocom, press enter, then Cadiz, CAD. I'm just selecting two shortest routes. So here it is showing Lisbon and Cadiz. So if you come down here, you can see here it says calculate route. So you click on calculate route, it will ask that you calculate ETA, ETD automatically for all waypoints and all. You just press yes. It asks the timings. You say yes, and your route is made. It will automatically always make your route. So it is from Lisbon to Cadiz. You can see here port of departure Lisbon and port of destination. It is not showing, but it is that Cadiz. The one more thing is that it always shows the route list with it. So here you can see a route list, whichever waypoints it has made here, it is showing here. So you double click this. This you cannot export in your pen drive. You can only maybe take print screen and take screenshot or something like this, but you cannot print it out or you cannot save this. Okay, so this is how your waypoints are there from Lisbon to Cadiz. And also type of leg, if you want to change, you left side double click and then you can change, you want to change it to great circle or drumline. So this is how it is, and if you double click it, it will go back to where it was. Now if I want to reverse this route, means I want to go from Cadiz to Lisbon, you just have to come here and reverse list, and then again calculate route. It will ask, do you want to discard the current route? You say yes. Calculate ETD, ETA, you say yes, and you just have to fill the timings and then you press OK. Now you can see it has made a route from Cadiz to Lisbon. One more thing I want to tell you is that this software is installed in our computer, but it is not yet registered. So we are not having the license key. So it is in the evening we will receive license key. So hence it is not yet registered model. Then if you want to edit the waypoint, you just click edit route, and then you can drag the waypoints here, there, like normal like this. Finish. And if you want to insert waypoint, then you come here, insert waypoint, you can insert just like. Okay, apply changes. Yes, you want to calculate ETD, not make. Okay, that's it. This is how you make a route in this. If you want to export a route, means if you want to export your route from the ECDIS, you go to route, then you can say load route, and you can you'll load a route from the pen drive. Loading a new route will override the current route. Do you want to proceed? You say yes, and then you select the pen drive. It is taking time. Open route. So here you just have to select a pen drive, and then that's it. If you want to clear a route, you can just if you want to remove this route, you press clear route and this route will be removed. Now for ordering the charts, you come here, the fourth tab, chart and digital publication. Here make sure that you have selected official ENCs or whatever. If you are asking for raster charts, also you can ask for paper charts. So normally we take ENCs. Official, click on official ENCs and it will show you all the ENCs for this area. Now it has a section where we can dissect for each area, like if you want overview charts, general charts, coastal charts, approach chart. Always this is of course that we want all the charts for our route, either let it be approach, coastal, harbor, whatever charts are coming. So now if I want to select a chart, either I can just click here route to basket, this button, and if I press this button, it will show me all the charts. Why it is not showing me all the charts? Yeah, because I already have some charts in my basket. I'll remove this. I'll select all these charts, remove all. This is my basket down here, and on the right side I have inventory. So now for example, I want these ENCs in my chart. I just have to click route to basket and it will automatically select all the charts. You can click add all to basket, and this Now this one is yellow. This ENC is coming yellow because it is in my inventory. Whichever chart which is in your inventory, it will become yellow. And if it is in my inventory and in my basket, you see, first it will give me a pop-up that this product is already in inventory. Do you still want to put this in basket? If you still say yes, it will turn into orange. These are just color coding to help the officer to differentiate between an ordered chart, a basket chart, an inventory chart. So if I click, if your charts are only in your basket, it will turn red. So now for example, if I select all the charts, add all charts to basket, now you see the color here outside, only these charts which are ordered, which are turned red. So example, I have not ordered this chart particular, it is still blue. All these charts are blue, and only the charts which I have selected are added into the basket. And then you can close. You can see in the basket all the cells have come into basket. Okay, now for example, I'll remove these charts. If you want to manually select ENCs, remove all. I'll remove the ENCs. Always make sure that all of your sections are selected before putting this route to basket. This might sometime happen that sometime someone has unticked this and then you put route to basket. You will still see some ENCs. You will think that okay, this is okay, and then you will order this charts, but you see now it is showing less charts because these two sections are not there. So it is not showing for the approach chart and other charts. So you see it is now showing only harbor, general and overview. It thinks, and you might add all basket and you think that you have ordered all chart. No, this is not the case. Many times people make mistake. So always make sure that your all are selected and all of these sections are selected, and then you press route to basket. Then your all the routes will be, all the ENCs will be selected. Now if you want to manually select, for example, you want to manually go and select each ENCs, you press unselect all the charts. Now you go one by one. For example, overview, you check in overview, zoom out which all charts are coming in my route. So for example, this blue line is basically the ENC. So I click on this chart, anywhere click on the chart, right click, it will show me that official ENC. If you want to make sure that you are selecting a right chart, just click highlight and this will turn into white. So now you know, if you come here, you can go more, zoom out. Okay, so now you know that you have selected a right chart because this is highlight. Now you can put it in basket, it will turn red now. Add all to basket, now close. Now same second chart, this chart, if you want to, just you have to come here anywhere on this chart, just click right click and you highlight, make sure that you are selecting a right chart. Highlight, you only highlight the charts just to cross verify that you are selecting the right charts. Highlight and then basket and close. So now once you are finished with this, uncheck this. Now all the charts are gone. Then you come here, select general, and then you do one right click, highlight, make sure you are selecting a right chart, basket, then you add to basket. So now whenever you are adding into the basket. Now this you can do with each. Uncheck this, then go to third option, coastal, and now it is showing coastal charts only. So then you can go one by one and add. This is manual selection. For automatic selection, make sure all of these are selected and just click here, route to basket. So now the other thing is that the subscription period over here is 3 months. By default is always 3 months, and here you can choose preferred subscription period, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. But I'm not getting this because as I told before, that this software is not yet registered. We are not licensed. I'll get the key in the evening. And here also you can see the budget is coming 00 because the amount of ENCs also you can see how much cost it is coming to. But now we cannot see because it is not there. It is not yet licensed. For example, now you want to order this. Now you have selected your charts, how many charts you wanted. Now you want to order this chart. You just have to come here and press send order now. But this is also not coming because we are not licensed, as I told. So that is why it is not coming. Otherwise, if you press this send order now, if you are online, then it will send automatically to the chart world like this provider. And if not, then it will show a window where you can select your pen drive and then you can transfer from your pen drive. Now for example, sometime it might happen you double click this basket tab and you take it out. Sometime it double click, wait a second, I'll select all the charts first. I select all the charts, go to route to basket, add all to close. So now I have all the charts which are in my, double click this to take it out. Now for example now I want to know that I have some charts which are there in my inventory and some chart which are there in my basket. Both of them charts are different, so that by mistake I have not selected any charts which is in my inventory and in basket. So you can come here and you can press this compare basket and inventory. If you press this, any chart which is there in our inventory, it will be automatically highlighted into the basket. So then you can know that you have by mistakenly selected a chart which is already in your inventory from this button compare basket and inventory. This is just the show summary to show how many charts are there in your basket, how many charts are there in your inventory. Now we do not have any charts because in the evening we'll receive it. So this is how you can compare here from this button inventory and basket. Double click it, it will go back. If you want to search some ENC, manually search, you can just press here this, come here, the tab is open, then write PT221101 official, make sure here it is written official ENCs and search. It will automatically hide the search ENC and you can see it is coming there, it is in basket, close. So this is how you can search. Now if you want some publications for this, this is for the duty officer, that he wants to know that from which sailing direction we are passing, which Admiralty list of light we want to use. You can select here. Now it will also show the Admiralty sailing directions, Admiralty digital list. You just right click and you will know. It is just there for seafarer to know it faster without looking into your publication, actually going into publication. You can just look here, okay, we need Admiralty digital list of light area 1 and 2. So that's it, close. For others also you can select like this, come here for ENP. Okay, you don't know which ENP you want to use, right click, it will show that okay, it is coming into this area. You can highlight and make sure that you are selecting right ENP. This is just for easy reference, that this ENP you want to use, you'll be using this ENP. Now if you want to save this basket file, you can come here and save basket file. But normally we do not save this. We can just press send order now and we can just send the order. That's it. If you want to edit this route, if you still want to edit this route which is there, you always have to come back in the routing and here you can edit the route. You can write and edit route and it will come. You zoom in and then you can edit the route. That's it. Right click, it will ask please choose how to proceed. Let apply changes and whatever waypoints you have, it will come back. That's it.